All right. On set with me is Akela Sims, who launched in Times Square in New York City to wash out what she says the stains of the stereotype, gentrification, liberation that is the American dream. Whew! She's here to tell us about the project. Welcome.
Thank you.
Great to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hey, you're a bossy man.
Oh, thanks.
And you did it yourself, don't you?
Yes.
Think you're wicked. How long did that take you?
5 hours.
So you do it yourself? You just sit down and plot in the different colors and stuff?
Yes. It was a lot.
Explain what I just said.
About
Your launch and stereotype
gentrification. Well, it's about America being this dream. We were taught that, oh, America is the land of this opportunities, paradise, and oh, you can't make it in Jamaica. It's about moving forward, improvement. This is America. That's what it painted to be. Yeah.
Why you wanted to tell this story?
Because it's actually not true. I mean, you can make Jamaica your own paradise. You don't have to go to Abraad to claim it as your paradise. Mm-hmm. Yes, during the summer, I know what it's like to labor there, and it's not a bed of roses. Mm-hmm. And I just want to put it out there to my fellow Jamaicans that you can make it here if you are determined.
And you have done it in what way? You have done this in
through photography.
Is this what we're looking at?
Yes,
right here?
That's what you're looking at right now.
So you tell a story from start to finish?
Yes.
Through photography?
Yes.
Don't move that one, please. Which part of the story are we looking at here?
Right now, I am washing out the stains, literally and figuratively, out of the clothing, the stains of stereotype gentrification, and that's in Times Square City, New York.
That is in Times Square.
Yes.
How easy was that to do?
I mean, it wasn't hard or anything. I'm used to a whole lot of eyes looking at me, so
people never think that it was strange.
People think I was crazy, but that's just
What kind of comments did you get while you were doing all of this?
Sexiness, baby, look goody man, Caribbean, but I met a few Jamaicans there actually. Yeah. Yes, and they like the idea.
Did you have time to explain what it is you were doing? What about the authorities? The policeman never told you must get off him road?
They actually helped me by blocking the road so that picture could. Yes.
And this was something planned before, or you just walk up and tell them what you did?
No, man, just walk up.
Are you telling what you're doing and they block the road for you?
Yes.
How many pictures overall?
We're taking
in the story.
About 10 pictures.
Yep. Yaad, come abroad.
Yes.
It says a bachelor's degree in drama.
Yes, that's what I'm studying for.
That would have been easy for you then, what you did, because
yes.
Yeah, he's a dramatist.
Yes. Don't you see it?
Yes, I can see it. Who gets a chance to see all of this and understand all of this and stuff?
Well, it was publicized on my social media page, and my followers really loved the idea, and they were really motivated from the project, and I'm really grateful for that.
Are you going to get an opportunity to, I guess, have your own show or stuff like that? Or
I'm planning to. Yes, I spoke with a lecturer from the Edna Manning College, and she was glad to come on board with me to help me with this project.
Yep. You're an actress.
Yes.
If you could only do one single thing in your life with all this that you're involved in, what would you do? Photography, being an actress? What?
Yes, I would be an actress. That's what I really want to be.
Okay. What's this one now? This one look like you're going through traffic and stuff.
Yes.
What's this one?
Contemplating where I should go, actually.
Yeah? And obviously you work with a team.
Yes, Giovanni Bailey. He was the photographer.
Oh, so just the two of you?
Yes, two of
Small
us.
team.
Mm-hmm. But it worked.
Yeah, this?
Yes.
Is that clothespin right here?
Yes, clothespin.
Explain that.
I was getting ready to hang the clothes of liberation, as I said before.
Yeah.
Yes.
You've also danced at the Grand Gala.
Yes, I did in 2018.
Yeah, Miss Emancipation pageant.
Yes.
And you were Miss Emancipation and a student at Edna Manley College. You're busy.
Yeah, I try to be.
You're doing lots of stuff. How is Edna Manley now after all been going on?
I mean, it's going good. We're looking forward to a very successful school year despite all that happened.
Yeah. All right. Someone watching now, how do they see all of that? You said your social media.
Yes.
What's your handle? How do they see all of that?
You want my social media
Yeah.
page? Akela Sims at, yeah, Akela Sims.
That's
Just
it
go
right
on
there,
Instagram.
Yeah. And
Right
they-
there.
And they could see all what you've done.
Yes,
What you've got in mind to do next.
all of it.
No, what have you got in mind to do?
Or to do next? Well, let's keep that for a surprise.
Well, come back when it's done
Oh, no problem.
and share it with us.
I
Great
would
to meet
love
you.
to.
Great to meet you.
You too.
Contemporary artist, Akela Sims. So come, more and smile when we come back.